namohla kusehlwa igazi labamsolwa ile liyakuba ukhiye.
They say a mother feels her child before they even arrive. A born unbreakable, a love that protects. But what if my child was sent not to be loved, but to fight? I see shadows in my dreams. I hear voices in the dark. They call his name. They want him. They fear him. Oh, Mondli, my love, what have you done? What have you done, Mondli?
Unobubu mnyama. Amandla ethu ayakuphuka.
The blood splitted, their lives taken, all their power. But they don't know. Sipho is not just my child. He is their reckoning. I repeat, he is their reckoning. And they will never take him from me. Never, never.
Isipho, the gift. It's coming out soon on the 7th of June, 2025. Stay tuned.